Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Friends, I am back with an excellent opportunity for taking a swing trade on one of the favorite stocks from specialty chemical sector. This specialty chemical stock is available at 30% discounted price from its all-time high. If it corrects more, it is a golden opportunity for you guys, for both long-term investors and for swing traders, as the stock has good potential to give you at least 30 to 40% returns in coming 2 to 6 months. The stock is none other than Deepak Nitrite. Deepak Nitrite is one of the fastest growing chemical intermediates company in India. The company has got 70% market share in sodium nitrite, sodium nitrate and nitrotoluenes in India. And it is one of the top 3 global producers for xylidines, cumidines and oximes. Deepak Nitrite's business is divided into 3 segments: basic chemicals, fine and specialty chemicals and performance products. And Deepak Nitrite has got wholly owned subsidiary Deepak Phenolics Limited, which manufactures acetone and phenol products. Guys, if you see the Deepak Nitrite's 5 year stock performance, it has given excellent returns of 2240%. In 2020 COVID crash, on March 18, the stock has made a low of 363.10. From then, the stock has rallied to the level of 3020 on October 13, 2021 by giving a bumper returns of 731%. After making this all-time high value 3020, the stock started falling. It has fallen by almost 30% by now. So you might be worrying why the stock is falling and how much more it can fall, and you might be in the dilemma whether to buy, hold or sell the stock. So guys, in this video, let us see the reasons for the stock fall and let us analyze the stock technically by using charts, and in the end I am going to give you levels and targets for taking a swing trade. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners and mutual funds. Also please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. Let's see the reasons for the stock fall. The first major reason is the impact of COVID second wave. Due to the second wave, the supply chain was heavily disrupted, and due to the supply chain disruptions and increase in the crude oil prices, the cost of the raw materials have been increased tremendously. If you compare the last year's September quarter's raw material cost and this year's raw material cost, it has been almost doubled. Also, due to the increased crude oil prices, the logistic expenses have been increased. As the expenses for raw materials and logistic expenses has been increased, it is clearly reflected in the September quarter 2 results. Its profit was increased by 49.5% on year-on-year basis, but it was decreased by 16% on quarter-on-quarter basis. Due to these reasons, people started selling their shares, and that is the reason the stock has fallen by 30%. Guys, can the stock give a bounce back? Let us understand its growth potential by looking at its future outlook. As the COVID fears are subdued, the demand is increasing worldwide and production volumes are improving. In order to protect the profit margins, Deepak Nitrite started passing its cost increases on its end customers. Deepak Nitrite also started entering into newer solvent products, which are high margin products. Company is known for sustainability initiatives, so it can attract ESG investments worldwide. And Deepak Phenolics Limited also commenced the production of isopropyl alcohol. Company is witnessing attractive pricing for both phenol and acetone products. And company has announced a capex plan of 1100 crores for greenfield expansion of Deepak Phenolics. So guys, Deepak Nitrite, given its diverse business approach and the proven track record of delivering mega scale commercial projects with best in class process management capabilities, Deepak Nitrite is uniquely positioned to ride on the growing demand trajectory from overseas customers as well as profit from significant expansion in domestic chemical market. So guys, we can say that future outlook of Deepak Nitrite is very bright. Now let us analyze this stock technically by using charts. Friends, I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Guys, I opened one day Deepak Nitrite chart. The stock has fallen from the level of 3020 and it is presently trading at the level of 2131. If you see its RSI, the relative strength index, it is very weak. It is presently at 30.61. If you see its MACD indicator, it has given bearish crossover signal. If you see its volumes, there has been huge selling in the last two sessions. If you see its moving average indicators, it has been below the 100-day moving average and it is racing towards 200-day moving average. So it can take the first support at 200-day moving average. And there is a demand zone guys near the 200-day moving average from the range of 1720 to 1950. Guys, if the stock enters into this buying zone, it is an excellent opportunity for you. As the stock looks bearish, it can fall in the next consecutive sessions. It can take support at 200-day moving average like this and it can give you a bounce back and it can start a fresh rally. Or else, if it becomes more bearish, it can further fall to the level of 1750 to 1800 levels. It can consolidate for a while and then it can bounce back. It can start a fresh rally to the levels of 2000, 2250. It can even cross beyond 2500 levels. So guys, now let's see some levels and targets for taking a swing trade. The buy levels are level 1 2000, level 2 1900, level 3 1830. The targets are target 1 2250, target 2 2400, target 3 2600. You can keep the stop loss at 1690 and the time period you have to hold is 2 to 6 months. Friends, please invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and also at each and every dip and hold the stock for at least 2 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, Deepak Nitrite technically looks very bearish, but if you see its future outlook, it is very bright. So I suggest you to please be patient and wait for these buy levels and hold the stock for at least 2 to 6 months. The stock has got huge potential to give you at least 30 to 50% returns in coming 2 to 6 months. This is all about Deepak Nitrite guys. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. I will come up with another interesting stock in coming days. A small disclaimer for you guys. The levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.